Instructions on how to make extremely simple snake traps. You prepare an iron mesh with square dimensions of 1.2 centimeters. First you need to straighten the mesh and then cut it into the necessary shape. If you want a smaller snake trap, choose a net with small squares. I used a cobra trap, so I made the length 45 squares, the width 9 squares multiplied by the 4 sides is 36 squares plus 0.8 squares for connecting. Use a ruler to break the mesh into a square with each side having 9 squares. You can use plastic drawstring to fix the trap cage. I leave 0.8 squares for more convenient connection. To make the trapdoor, I made a mesh 11 squares long plus 0.5 squares, and I also made 9 squares wide. Note that they are mixed together to achieve the best results. Measure into 3 squares and down 2 squares. Here you tie the rope to the trap wall to create elasticity for the trapdoor. The trapdoor must have good elasticity and not collide with the trap wall. I use toads or mice as bait. You should leave food and water in the cage to help mice and toads live longer. Use plastic bags to wrap around the camouflage trap cage, and you should place the trap in places where snakes often crawl. Wish you success.